What's up, you guys? It's your girl Hitchhiker dropping back with another video. If you guys are new to my channel, what's good? What's goody? If you guys did not subscribe to the channel, like, baby girl, baby boy, what are you doing? Like, so I fast, so I'm done to subscribe. So basically, guys, I'm about to do the side part that's the struggle. Y'all gonna see the struggle. This is the first time I'm doing this, so please, guys, do not judge me, okay? Because it was a little rough. So basically, I'm really using e eco Kyle. Yo, I'm saying eco Kyle, the gel, basically, y'all, that everybody use, their mama use, their papa use, that gel. And I'm using the Gatsu glue. Lord, I cannot speak. The Gatsu glue spray and the Gorilla Glue. So basically, guys, I'm really not gonna talk to this. I'm not gonna talk so long. I'm basically parting my hair because my hair is really puffy. It's really like, it's so freezy. Like, I could put a whole bottle of gel. It's just not gonna stay. So y'all gonna see that. So I'm just gonna stop talking. So make sure you guys like and comment and subscribe and share to your mama, to your grandpa, to your sugar daddy, like, to everybody. That's it. So bye.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
So guys, basically it's the next day. So now I'm gonna unwrap it. So off camera I did went back to fix the back and touch it up even more. If y'all can see, I am really like losing edges basically. It's so sad, but it's okay. So now I have a bundle. It's a 22-inch bundle that I have that I'm gonna use. Just comb it out basically, and you're gonna take your bobby pin and you're gonna like place it in the back. Just pin it back where you push your little bun, and you're gonna start wrapping your hair. Don't wrap it like too tight, but like tight enough to hold it. So right now y'all can see the struggle right now, but it's okay. So you're just gonna keep wrapping it and wrapping it basically. So guys, you guys see that I'm almost done wrapping the hair. So you're gonna take the last piece of hair. Now you're gonna wrap it around the hair. Make it tight enough to hold everything down, because you don't want to walk and everything is just falling, baby girl. You don't want that, okay? So now you're gonna wrap it really tight. You're gonna take a bobby pin and bobby pin it down. Make it secure, okay? So that's what I'm doing. Then after, I think I'm just gonna just finish touching it up again, because if y'all can see, like, I still got some flyaways, y'all. It's annoying, but yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video like I did. This was my first time. I think I did a good job, and make sure you guys subscribe and like and comment. Tell me what y'all think and stuff, because it was fun to do this. So I'll see you guys in the next video.